Hi everyone, I am Vinayak KS. I am pursuing engineering for the VC department, GM University, Davangere. In this video, I am demonstrating this technical competency project. Project titles is a full wave rectifier. See this full wave rectifier diagram. Full wave rectifier convert AC input to DC output signals. V in connected to the step down transformer. V out connected to the RL. And these are four diodes. See this waveform. Input signals. During the positivity of the cycle, D1 and D3 is a forward bias, and D2 and D4 is a reverse bias. And next go to LT Spice software. This is full wave rectified diagram. Is connection has been done. Run this program. This is V in. Another plot add. This is V out. Thank you.